For task number 14, you're going to program the EV3 using the color sensor to follow a black line. It's okay if the line is curved a little bit, but it should be able to follow that line. So it should look something like this. Let's go ahead and give that a try. For task 14, follow the black line, you're going to use the color sensor to program the EV3 to follow a black line. Now to do this, of course we're going to go here under flow control, and as usual we're going to build this all inside a loop with unlimited. So it'll just keep working around in this loop. Now we're going to need a switch for this one. So under flow control, let's also drag a switch up. And on that switch, let's switch this to color sensor. And we want it to compare color. And we specifically want it looking for black. So let's uncheck red and choose black. So here we've got a loop with a color sensor switch inside. When that color sensor sees black, it'll do this. When it doesn't see black, it'll do this. Now, in order to get it to follow a black line, it's relatively easy. All we need is one motor block up here and one motor block up here. So let's go to action. I'm just going to put a move steering block up here. And I am going to turn this on, just straight on. And I'm going to make it curve, just a gentle curve, not too much. And you're going to have to play with these numbers to find out what works for your robot. But I'm just going to make it curve. And one thing you're going to find is we don't want this to go too fast. So we're going to be working in lower powers here. Let's pull it down to about 30. And one thing, I've got a little tip right here. If you're having trouble staying on the line, lower your power, your motor power. So if you find it's not finding the line correctly, you might even want to make this a little bit lower, maybe 20. So you're going to have to adjust the angle of the turn and the power here. So let's see what we've got so far. So basically, when the color sensor sees black, it's going to curve the motor a little bit to the right. Now, on the time when it doesn't see black down here, we're going to do the same thing but opposite. So let's turn the motor on, and we're going to make it go -20. Oops, not 200, -20. And let's make that the same power, so 30. So if it sees black, it's going to do a 20 curve to the right at 30 power. If it doesn't see black, it's going to do a -20 curve to the left at 30 power, the same powers. And it'll keep doing that, and that should make it follow the line. Let's go ahead and give that a try.